So you've got a Dodge Grand Caravan, your window's always dirty, you can't see shit, and you're probably going to crash the next time it rains. You probably got mud, poop, roadkill, and bugs all caked on your window. You got streaks on your window all the time, they never go away. Sunlight hits your windshield and everything hazes out and you can't see anything. It's time to put some new wipers on. Make your way down to AutoZone or Walmart or your store of choice and just pick up a couple. I don't have any specific opinions on brands. Never really had problems with wipers per se, but I got these Bosch Micro Edge. I've used them before and they seem fine. They're middle cost. You need a 26-inch for the driver's side and a 20-inch for the passenger side. Different brand wipers have different connectors on them, different little retaining clips and stuff. These ones just snap on. So pull up your wiper arm. Either use a finger or a screwdriver or tilt it back until that little tab pops up and then just pull it down and unclick it. You really should hold your wiper arm the whole time because it could fall and break your window. Ask me how I know. Here you see just how damaged this wiper blade is. That's the reason for all the streaks. Grab your new blade, get it in position, and then get confused about which way it goes on. Is that the way it goes on? Nope. No, that's not right. Then flip it around. Yep, that's the way. And just snap it into place. And gently lay your arm back down. This one wouldn't pop open just by rotating it back, so I used a screwdriver. Same mechanism though. Lift up your arm, slide it back and snap it out. There's the big housing on this one. Here's the new one that just clicks into place with no housing. Insert it, snap it into place. And you're done. Do a quick wiper test. Ah, look how clean and smooth that is. No more poop on my window. And now you won't crash and die because your window is too dirty. Please consider hitting that subscribe button, and thank you for watching.